I'm going to explain about the payment terms with cash discount from vendors. Let us know what is the meaning of payment term. In the name itself says term. Term is nothing but a condition. So payment terms are the conditions that are agreed between the business partners. Who are the business partners? The business partners are the organization, the vendors, and the customers. In between the business partners, it involves the business transactions with themselves. Example, organization with the vendor and vendor uh, um, or else organization with the customers. We all know that the payment terms are the conditions. These conditions are used to determine the due date and cash discount calculation of purchase invoice and the sales invoice respectively. Is it understood, everyone? Okay. Uh, Shall we know what is the payment term with cash discount from vendors? Cash discount is nothing but an reduction in the value of an item or a price of an item or material for the sales or purchase. Here, when we are making the payment to the vendors within the stipulated period, we get some cash discount, right? That cash discount, for example, if we paid within the 10 days, we get a 3% cash discount. There is one condition. Or else if we paid within 20 days, we get 2% cash discount, right? These cash discount should be transferred to the cash discount received account. This is called payment term with cash discount. Yes, we can see the configuration right now. First, we have to define the payment term. It includes the cash discount. The transaction code is OVV8. Yes, yesterday we already defined one cash discount, that is SPR, SUPR, right? We shall see what is this. Here, the payment term we given the SUPR and it can day limits. What is the day limits? The day limit means the vendor says that they want to if the organization want to limit for the making the payment, we have to given for a particular limit. And sales text, we have to give one a text in the field, and one explanation we can give if we 10% discount, 10% 3% cash discount for within 10 days and all. The account type, the payment, it says that the payment term is applicable to both customer as well as a vendor. Baseline date calculation. The baseline date calculation determines the due date within the payment term. It includes the fixed day or additional months. If you want to fix the payment with a particular date, we have to give the day in this field. And the additional months are nothing but if you want to extend the additional months for this payment term, we
Priya.
can.
Hello. If you don't mind, please zoom your screen little bit.
One sec. So how we can?
So it is in a full screen. No worries.
Okay.
After, yeah.
Yes. When coming to this column, payment block or payment method default. If you want to block the payment term, what we have defined here, we can block that payment term here. And if you want to block payment method wise, we can select this field. And here the default for baseline date. we can choose that what is the default date for the payment term calculation or cash discount calculation. If we selected the document date, the system will calculate the baseline date from document date. And coming to the payment terms, here we already given the explanation. For that we have to given here I given the 3%. If you make the payment within the 10 days, the system will calculate the 3% cash discount. And if you make the payment within 20 days, the system will take the 2% cash discount. If you make the 30 days, there is no cash discount. It is 0% discount. This is all about the payment term. After defining this payment term, we have to assign this payment term in the uh, vendor master data. This is one method, or else we can make the assign this payment term while raising the vendor invoice also. Here I assign the payment term in the vendor master data. See here, yesterday we have given the assign this payment term in the vendor master data, or else we can also assign this payment term in the when, rising the vendor invoice in FB60 also, or else F-43. One second, I'll show the invoice where you can easily understood that one. See here, yesterday the system will automatically take in the payment term here SUPR while raising the invoice purchase invoice. How the system will take in this one? We already assigned this payment term in the vendor master data. That's why the system will automatically take in the payment term. After raising this purchase invoice while making the payment to the vendor, the system will automatically calculate the cash discount. We can see here. See here. The beginning only I said that the cash discount will the payment term will determine the cash discount. Here while making after making the payment, the system will calculate the cash discount. The invoice amount is the 10,000. the cash discount is 3% on 10,000. That is 300 rupees. The outgoing payment to the vendor is totally 9,700 rupees. I said that the cash amount, the cash discount received will be transferred to the cash discount received amount. We can see this one is showing the credit balance. We shall see how the system is transferred to this cash discount amount to the GL account. Here I selected the cash discount received account. See here, whatever the system is deducted 300 rupees, this amount is showing the credit balance. Why the system is showing the credit balance means the cash discount received is an income to the organization. So what are the income should be shown in the credit balance side of the P&L account. Sorry, I forgotten to explain one thing. After defining the payment term, we have to create one GL account, that is cash discount GL account. See, under the head other incomes, we had created the one cash discount received account. See. After creating this, we have to map with the map in the OBXU. First, we have to give a chart of account. After that, we have to select posting keys, whether the system is defined the debit or credit posting keys. And after that, we have to select this one. Then we have to select accounts. Here we have to map the GL account, cash discount received account. Okay. After this, we have to make one purchase invoice and all. This is all about payment term with cash discount for vendor. If you have any doubts, please ask. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much. I've given.
Sir, your voice is too low.
ఇప్పుడు ఓకేనా?
Yes.
Yeah. So thank you so much for giving this presentation, and the way you're explaining the things were so good. And when it comes to the configuration and all, you have shown each and everything. I mean, the total configurations to the each and every trainee, and that was a very good thing. So when it comes to the field-wise explanation, so all the fields you have explained very well. Yeah. Any other Chinese, if you have any questions or queries on the particular payment terms configurations for vendor, you can just ask to the Supriya. She will give the explanation and all. Any questions you have, you can ask. తెలుగులోనే అయినా పర్వాలేదు, అడగండి. మీ డౌట్స్ ఏమున్నా క్లియర్ చేసుకోండి. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఈస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఓకే. అండ్ ఫస్ట్ భరత్, ఏమన్నా నీకు డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ మీద?
సార్ ఒక చిన్న డౌట్ సార్.
అడగండి.
Why we need to take additional month, sir? As we are complete, we are doing all financial transactions in the financial year.
Okay.
Then what is the need of additional month, sir? Is that going to complete? You're going to record in the next year, sir?
Okay.
Yes,
Supriya, what
yesterday
is
only. So shall I?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, yesterday only sir said that the payment term is nothing but is an condition between the business partner. The client wants to extend the same business payment term with the next fiscal year for some additional period months. If we according to their requirement, we can extend the payment term while taking additional months. Sir, is it correct?
Yeah. Is it okay, Bharat?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, sure.
Sir, is it a month-end activity or sir year-end activity, sir?
The both month-end and year-ending activities.
Okay.
Yeah. Then next.
So one point, sir, I forgotten. The payment term is we configured at the client level, so it applicable to all company codes in the organization.
Yes, very good. Super. Which point? Valid point. And then next, Girish, if you have any doubts, you can just ask. ఏ డౌట్ ఉన్నా చిన్న డౌట్ ఉన్నా పర్లేదు, మీ మైండ్లో అది ఉండకూడదు ఇప్పుడు.
Okay, sir. No, still no, I have understand.
మొత్తం క్లియర్గా ఉంది కదా?
Yeah, clear, sir.
Okay, very good. And Sukumar, if you have any doubts and queries ఏమన్నా ఉంటే, నీకు వచ్చిన ఏ చిన్న డౌట్ అయినా సరే, you can just ask.
ఇప్పుడు అది చేశారు కదా సార్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్స్, అది అసైన్ చేశారు కదా, NPO1 ఏదో, అది చేయకపోతే ఏమవుతుంది సార్?
NPO1 ఏం చేసాం?
అది కంపెనీ కోడ్. మనము అసైన్ చేసింది ఓబి XU అడుగుతున్నారా? మ్యాపింగ్ చేసాం కదా జిఎల్ అకౌంట్. 1 సెకండ్ నేను చూపిస్తాను. ఇదేనా?
ఎంటర్ చేయండి చార్ట్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంట్స్. ఏదైనా సుకుమార్ నువ్వు అడుగుతుంది? ఓకే, రైట్. ఒకవేళ మ్యాపింగ్ కనుక చేయకపోతే మీరు ఏదైతే ఇన్వాయిస్ రైజ్ చేస్తారో అండ్ ఇన్వాయిస్ని క్లియర్ చేసుకునేటప్పుడు మీ క్యాష్ డిస్కౌంట్ అనేది అప్లికబుల్ అవ్వదు. ఓకేనా? రైట్. Then Satyanarayana, if you have any questions on this, you can just ask to the Supriya.
No, sir. No doubt, sir.
Okay, everything is clear, right?
Okay, clear, sir.
Okay, very good. And then next, Vinod, you have any doubts?
Yes, sir.
You can just
The
ask.
payment terms will be defined in the while creating agreement. We can define the payment terms, but in future you can able to change it the payment terms, because according to our new things will be keep coming based on the.
Yeah, I understood your point. We can make it changes according to the client requirement only. Whatever we configured in this system, according to the client needs only. The client, if he want to, he said that we want a payment term with 5% cash discount within 10 days or 20 days.
Right.
We have to do the configuration according to their requirement only. After some period of time, if you want to change that is a particular period or an discount percentage, we can make a changes. We have an edit option now. We can easily change that one.
Okay.
Clear, Vinod?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right, very good. And then next, Bhushan, if you have any doubts on the payment terms for vendors, you can just ask.
Payment term, I don't have any doubt.
Chippu, what is your doubt?
Actually, in APP, ర్యాంక్ ఇస్తాం కదా సార్ మనం కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ చేసేటప్పుడు ర్యాంక్,
అవును.
అది ఆ ర్యాంక్ ఎందుకు ఇస్తాం అనేది అది డౌట్ వచ్చింది.
ఇది ఏపీపీకి సంబంధించిన క్వశ్చన్ కాదు, పేమెంట్ టర్మ్స్ కి సంబంధించిన క్వశ్చన్. అది పర్సనల్ గా అడుగు, నేను చాట్ బాక్స్ లో ఇచ్చేస్తాను.
ఓకే.
ఓకే, రైట్. దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ శ్రీను, ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ డౌట్స్ యూ కెన్ జస్ట్ ఆస్క్. మనం ఒక కొత్త టాపిక్ లోకి వెళ్ళిపోదాం, సేమ్ కస్టమర్ లోకి.
No, sir. No doubt, sir.
ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈస్ క్లియర్ కదా?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Okay, thank you so much, Supriya.
Thank you,
Whatever
sir.
the subject you have given, that is totally I will going to use for the each and every training. Okay,
Thank you,
all
sir.
those questions that you are, all those answers that you have given. Okay, that was very clear to the each and every training. And be more focused on the subject, and you can give more subject on the particular topics also. Okay, so don't give only some subject only. So if you are giving a presentation on the particular concept, you need to be very careful. That is, you need to have 100% subject in your mind. Okay, then next,
Yes.
automatically the presentation skills that you are giving here automatically will improve. Then next, your communication skills also will going to improve. Why? Because so you have reached the 80% communication skills. So whatever the left of the communication skills, you will going to reach within a days. Why? Because the way you are explaining the things are very good, and I am requesting all you to follow Supriya videos and all. Supriya presentation skills. So how she was giving. ఓకే, సో ఎలా ఇచ్చింది అనేది మీరు కంపల్సరీగా తెలుసుకోవాలి. దెన్ వాట్ వుడ్ బి ద పాయింట్స్? సో వెన్ ఐ హ్యావ్ టు గివ్ ద ప్రెజెంటేషన్, వాట్ వుడ్ బి ద ఎగ్జాక్ట్ పాయింట్స్? ఓకే, సో దట్ may be on some concepts like accounts payables, accounts receivables, payment terms, foreign currency revaluations, GST, anything, whatever the topic that you have. Okay, so whatever the knowledge, 100% knowledge that you have on the particular topic, so you can just give the presentation. Automatically trainees will going to ask you the questions. When the trainees ask you the questions, okay, so what you will do? So you will give the exact information that they want. So if you don't give the exact information that they want, okay, please correct it. Okay, I will correct it, no issue. And please correct your question after that. Okay, write down those questions in the notepad. After that you can correct it. And then when it comes to the next presentation, what will happen? So you will able to give the 100% theory or presentation or configurations in the presentations class. Okay, is it fine? అందరికీ ఓకేనా? అందరు మ్యూట్లో నుంచి బయటకు వచ్చి కరెక్ట్గా చెప్పండి. మీరు కూడా ఇలాగనే ప్రెజెంటేషన్స్ ఇవ్వాలి. నేను ప్రతిరోజు ఒక్కొక్కరికి అసైన్ చేస్తాను. ఓకేనా? కొన్ని రోజుల తర్వాత మళ్ళీ ప్రెజెంటేషన్ ఉంటుంది. ఆ ప్రెజెంటేషన్ కంపల్సరీగా మీరు చెప్పాలి. ఓకేనా? ఓకే, ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. అండ్ భరత్, నువ్వు కూడా ప్రెజెంటేషన్ ఇవ్వాలి. భరత్ మంచి నాలెడ్జ్ ఉన్న పర్సన్. ఓకే, ఐ థింక్ సుప్రియ నీకు బాగా అంటే నీతో పోటీ పడగలిగే వ్యక్తి భరత్ అండ్ సత్యనారాయణ, మన రఘు అండ్ వినోద్ అండ్ శ్రీనివాస్ అండ్ గిరీష్. కొంచెం సుకుమార్కి కొంచెం కమ్యూనికేషన్ స్కిల్స్ అనేది కొంచెం తక్కువ ఉంది. సో వీళ్ళందరూ ప్రెజెంటేషన్స్ ఇవ్వాలి. సో నేను ప్రెజెంటేషన్స్ ఇవ్వకపోతే ఒప్పుకోను. ఎందుకు ఒప్పుకోను అని అంటే, నువ్వు ప్రెజెంటేషన్ ఇవ్వకపోతే ఇంటర్వ్యూలో ఫెయిల్ అవుతావు. ఇంకేం లేదు. వాళ్ళు ఒక టాపిక్ వైజ్ అడిగారు అనుకోండి క్వశ్చన్స్, ఏం చేస్తారు? So this is the most important thing in any institutions. So మన ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్స్ లో మనం క్వశ్చన్స్ అవర్స్ పెడతాము, ప్రెజెంటేషన్స్ పెడతాము, ఖచ్చితంగా పెడతాను. ఎందుకు అనంటే మీ సబ్జెక్ట్ స్కిల్ ఇంప్రూవ్ అవ్వాలి అండ్ మీ కమ్యూనికేషన్ స్కిల్ కూడా ఇంప్రూవ్ అవ్వాలి. ఓకే, సో ఇది మీకు ఓకేనా? అందరికీ బాగానే ఉంది కదా?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Sachinarayana and Bharat and Girish.
Okay, sir.
And Vinod and Sukumar and Srinivas. Everything is fine kada? Yeah, మీరు కూడా ఇలానే ప్రెజెంటేషన్స్ ఇవ్వాలి. సో 2 times వీడియో చూడండి. సుప్రియ ఎలా చెప్పిందో అలాగనే ఒక కాన్సెప్ట్ తీసుకోండి, సబ్జెక్ట్ చెప్పండి, కన్ఫిగరేషన్స్ తర్వాత చెప్పండి, ఎట్ ది సేమ్ టైం తర్వాత ఇన్పుట్, అంటే ఇన్పుట్ మనం ఏది తీసుకుంటున్నామో అవుట్పుట్ ఏం వస్తుంది, ఓకేనా? సో ఎక్కడే అక్కర్ అవుతుంది, ఏ లైన్ ఐటమ్ డిస్ప్లే చేయాలో చూస్తాము. ఓకే, ఏ వెండర్కి చేస్తున్నాం, వెండర్కి చేసేటప్పుడు ఏదైనా కన్ఫిగరేషన్స్ అప్లికబుల్ అవుతుందా లేదా, ఒకవేళ అప్లికబుల్ కాకపోతే వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఎగ్జాక్ట్ పాయింట్, ఓకేనా? సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్స్. అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఆల్. మీ టైంని ఇలా కేటాయిస్తున్నందుకు, ఎట్ ది సేమ్ టైం కన్ఫిగరేషన్స్ మీద పెడుతున్నందుకు నేను చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నాను. ఎట్ ది సేమ్ టైం మీరు ఎంత బాగా చదువుకుంటే అంత తొందరగా జాబ్ వస్తుంది, ఓకేనా? ఓకే, ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.